As Midwest transplants, we found that the problem with living in LA is it's just not Christmassy enough. Between the temperature and the palm trees, it can be hard to get in the Christmas spirit around here.
Thanks to Stitch Fix for partnering with us to help style us for the holidays to get us into the Christmas spirit.
To get started, we told our personal Stitch Fix stylist Jason what we like to wear, and then he sent us a box full of goodies.
I don't know, it's just not Christmassy enough. It just doesn't feel Christmassy.
It's really not Christmassy enough.
Okay, almost, but still not quite Christmassy enough.
Okay, this is Christmassy.
Totally worth it. Now is the perfect time to return all of those lens mugs you got during the holidays and get something you actually want with Stitch Fix. Click the link in the description to get fixed. To get fixed up with Stitch Fix.